Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add an anchor on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and then here you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys in the center, you're going to find the list that includes all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, you can go to any site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it, and then here you're going to find select and edit site. Go ahead and click on select and edit, and then just wait for the dashboard to load, and this is how it will look like. Once you're here, go to the left, and then here you're going to find all of the sections, and if you go here to the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. Click on edit site, and then you will be redirected to this page right here. So just wait for the page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for your Wix site. Once you're here, go to the left, and then here you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your site. The first option is going to be add element. Go ahead and click on add elements. And then here, as you can see, guys, you can add any element that you want. Here you're going to find text, image, button, strip, decorative, and so on. And then here you're going to find menu and anchor. Click on menu and anchor. And then here you're going to find menus. And here under in-page navigation, you're going to find anchor. So just click on it. And then here you can add the anchor that you want. For example, I'm going to click on this one. And then as you can see guys here, you're going to find the anchor setting. You can drag your anchor right here. And you can also choose a name for the anchor right here, as you can see guys. And then once you finish customizing your site, you can just go here to the top, click on publish, and then all of your changes will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.